Hello everyone, today I am going to NET JRF Forensic Science paper to June 2021 solution. This paper contains 50 objective type of question, each question carrying 2 marks. Attempt all question. Vacuum metal deposition VMD method is for development of latent fingerprint is generally used for nanoporous surface with a primary classification formula. One by one of the fingerprint classification. What pattern type will be present in the right ring and little finger? 3 is correct but 4 is incorrect. Both will have holes. Exhaustion A. On fingerprint recording sheet along with rolled print, plain print are also obtained. Reason R. Taking plain prints along with rolled print help in detecting possible wrong recording of rolled fingerprint. Both A and R is correct. Individual characteristics in TypeScript are of two types, transitional and permanent. Rolling pen as a rolling ball and ink liquid. Exhaustion A and two-folded latent fingerprint ninhydrin is applied to have purple color visible print. Reason are ninhydrin reacts with amino acid present in fingerprint residue. Both A and R is correct. Watermarks in paper are made with the help of dandy roll. Exhaustion A. Digital image technology is a powerful tool for recording of crime scene. Digital imaging allow real-time access to crime scene even one is away from the scene. Both A and R are correct. Which of the following is not an interrelated component of crime scene management, multi-level management? A certain repetitive pattern of criminal behavior is called as his modus operandi. The object of any crime scene investigation follow the given sequence: recognize, preserve, collect, interpret, and reconstruction. Teach. Fingerprint. E. R. Henry. Classification of fingerprint. Hilton. Document examination. Austin Houston. Ninhydrin test. The composition of fingerprint is performed on the basis of three types of details. Identify the correct order of the details in which they are looked for. Level 1, Level 2, and Level 3 detail. On wound of entry, but multiple wound of exit is seen in case of tandem bullets. Which of the following are example of highly improvised explosive device? Mockobuck cocktail. Which of the following tests help to detect nitrite in a gunshot residue? MET. The term broaching and swagging are associated with rifling, silencing bullet alongside of skull product gluter flu fracture. Exhaustion terms in writing strokes may indicate possible forgery of signature. Tremors due to age or illness are generally repeated at regular interval, while tremors of forgery are at irregular interval. Both A and R are correct. Bygone's method help in the determination of age from teeth. In which of the following bones does the ossification center appear? Calcaneum. A condition of which abnormality low sperm count are present as oligospermia. Absorption hemoptysis blood is bright red in color. Reason R because it is oxygenated. Code A both and A and R are correct. Division's body is found in which of the following cell? Neutrophils. The Caryopsine Klinefelter syndrome is 47 triple XY, double XY. Washburn index helps in determination of sex. Which of the following is correct for primary classification of fingerprint? 1 and 4. Divide all patterns into loop and holes. One is added arbitrarily to numerator as well as denominator. Sudden death is one in which a person dies suddenly or within a short time without suffering from any disease or injury if death occurs within 24 hours. Etymology helps to determine time since death. Which of the following bacteria is not associated with putrefaction? Mycobacterium. In which of the following special death there is damage to the neck structure? Mugging. The enzyme present in the liver which metabolizes alcohol is called alcohol dehydrogenase. Which of the following changes in dead body does not help to determine time since death? Cadaveric spasm. Two glass fragments can be compared with the help of physical matching, reflective index, density gradient, tube, all of the above. Which of the following pairs is correctly matched? Poison that stimulates repository center amphetamines. Microscopic examination of paint chip from a car may include sequence of paint layers. A stray graph is used to examine tool marks. Comparison tool marks are formed by firing pin. Human semen does not contain cholinesterase. Which of the following is not used for nuclear DNA profiling? Cut hair. Absorption is the number of cells that are lost from gastrointestinal tract and average per day are not considered sufficient for mitochondrial DNA testing from facial matter. Reason are because of the inhibitory effect of the bile pigment being at low concentration. Both A and R are incorrect. Which of the following skull stature is the first one of to fuse as a person age? Metopic. Keratins, which are sulfur-containing proteins, are interlinked from stable fibers and pigment composed of Melanin. Polarizing microscope is also referred as EP microscope. Gas liquid chromatography is based upon which of the following first partition between gas and immobile liquid phase. A detector that can be used in visible spectrophotometry is photovoltaic cell. Photovoltaic cell. Which of the following instrument technique does not help in the analysis of metal? GCMS. The RF value depends upon which of the following factors. All of the above. Solvent system employed, temperature, chamber situation. Match the following tests in list A with those in list B. Gettler test. Drowning. Teachman test. Blood stain. Hydrostatic test. Live birth. Lugol iodine test. Vaginal cells. Which of the following cells are not used for DNA analysis? Red blood cells. That's all for today.